Okay, boys and girls. Now, let's write a letter. Autumn, you ready to write a letter of the day?
What's that?
Here, I'm going to show you. Here, let's do the letters. Let's write our letter of the day. You want to hold? Oh, you want the eraser? Okay, wait till I write it down. Okay, remember, ask someone older than you for a sheet of paper, and also you can use a crayon, marker, or pencil, but do not write on the walls. Okay? Now, let's get started with this letter of the day. You see it on the railroad track, and it has a line like this. Wait, Autumn. And then another line like this. And this is called the letter X. This is a Mama X, a capital X. Wait a minute, Autumn. We got to let them see it. Then we're going to erase it, and we're going to do a lowercase X. All right, this is the capital one. All right, you do a line, and then another line. See, now that was upside down. That's a skinny X. All right, Autumn, you want to erase that for me? Wait, turn it this way. Turn it this way. Just like that. Got it? Okay, good. Okay, erase that. Very good, Autumn. So that's a capital X. I'm going to do another one. All right, good job, Autumn. So it's X-ray. When you go to the doctor, he needs to see your bones. This is the letter X. Okay, so the X is a line going slanted and then another line going slanted. That's an X. X. It's like this. Okay. All right, now, here, let's get you adjusted. All right, let's do a baby X, which is a lowercase x. So a lowercase x is like this. It's a little line. Well, that's up and down. Let me do it again. It's a little line going slant like this, and then another little line going, wait a minute, Autumn, let me finish writing it. Another little line going slant like that. Okay? Now let's do it again. Okay? All right? A line like this, slant, and then another line just like that, slant. That's a lowercase x. All right, let's do it again. You going to erase that one? All right, let's do it again. All right, you're going to do a little line like this, and then a little line like that. Okay, wait a minute, let them see it. That is a lowercase x. So this is we're going to do a large x, and then we're going to do a lowercase x. Ooh, I'm hitting my mic, and the sound man, I'm hurting his ears. Let's do it again. All right, now wait on. We're going to do a large X, just like this. Wait a minute, wait, so they can see it. And then we're going to do a small X, just like that. So this is a mama X, and this is a baby X. Okay, you can erase it now. All right, boys and girls. Good job, Autumn. Now, boys and girls, here, there we go. Thank you. You want to give them the apple? Give them the apple. You got it.
Well, you know apple.
Yeah, the apples, because they did such a good job. Here, let's do that again. Here, sit back and hand them the apple, because you did a good job writing your letters. Okay, boys and girls. Now, it is time for us to read a story. Autumn, do you want to hear a story? Yes? Okay. But before we read the story, let's do our alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Very good. You did so good. And Autumn gave you a quickie apple because you did such a good job. Now, before we read that story, we have one more thing we need to do. We need to go over our shapes. Do you know your shapes, boys and girls? Let's do our shapes. Okay.
Wait.
Autumn, are you going to help me hold the shapes? All right, let's hold it right here so our friends can see it. Okay, this shape is called an octagon. Can you say octagon? Octagon. And this shape is called a pentagon. Can you say pentagon? Pentagon. This shape is called a square. Can you say square? Square. And this shape is called a hexagon. Can you say hexagon? Hexagon. Okay, now we are going to go over our shapes again. And this time we're going to count the sides. All right, so this is an octagon. Let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Octagon. This is a pentagon. Let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pentagon. This is a square. Let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Square. This is a hexagon. Let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's okay. This is a hexagon. Okay, boys and girls. Now, let's go over these shapes. This is an oval. Can you say oval? This is a triangle. Can you say triangle? This is a circle. Can you say circle? This is a rhombus. Can you say rhombus? And this is a rectangle. Can you say rectangle? All right, let's say the shapes again. This is an oval. It has no sides. This is a triangle. Let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, and a point at the top. This is a circle. It has no sides. And this is a rhombus. It has 4 points. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is a rectangle. Let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 2 short sides and 2 long sides. Very good. Okay, Autumn. Are you going to give our friends the red apple because they did such a good job of listening? Very good. We are getting ready to read a story. Do you want to hear a story, Autumn? Okay, so now I want you to zip your lip, be very quiet, and turn on your listeners so you can hear the story about a little brown bear, brown bear. What do you see? And this story was written by Bill Martin Jr. and Eric Carle. Okay.
Okay.
And Eric Carle is the person that drew all of these beautiful pictures. Brown bear, what do you see? I see a red bird looking at me. Red bird, what do you see? I see a yellow duck looking at me. Yellow duck, what do you see? I see a blue horse looking at me. Blue horse, what do you see? I see a green frog looking at me. Green frog, what do you see? I see a purple cat looking at me. Purple cat, what do you see? I see a white dog looking at me. White dog, what do you see? I see a black sheep looking at me. Black sheep, what do you see? I see a goldfish looking at me. Goldfish, what do you see? I see a teacher looking at me. Teacher, what do you see? I see children looking at me. Children, what do you see? We see a brown bear, a red bird, a green frog, a black sheep, a goldfish, a yellow duck, a blue horse, a purple cat, a white dog, and a teacher looking at us. That's what we see. Wow, that was such a good story. Did you enjoy that story, Autumn?
Yeah.
I enjoyed reading it, and it has so many beautiful, colorful pictures. Okay, Pete and friends, and Autumn, let's wave goodbye to our friends. Thank you for watching, and thank you for listening. Until next time, bye-bye.
Bye.